Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be doing another day of Vector, in which we'll be unboxing the all-new Vector Space, a personalized area for Vector himself to go ahead and play, as well as explore. Now, we are still doing the Vector giveaway, in which if you want to go ahead and comment down below, go ahead and increase your chances for winning. We'll be picking a winner on October 31st, aka Halloween, so be sure to wait till then. Now, a special thanks to our sponsor for this video, MyWiFi.tv, the best live TV application available for Android, OS X, iOS, and Windows. Check out their website now by clicking the link down below. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. So this here is our packaging. So they have a very nice cover art here. So you see Vector kind of peeking from his space. You see the charger in the background, and literally you place it on a table or any kind of shelf. So this allows Vector to go ahead and free roam as it pleases. Now it's actually a very simple design. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so this here is our packaging. So there you are. Okay, so wow, that looks really cool. So you actually see Vector's logo embossed into the platform itself. It's made out of a almost like a ABS kind of plastic feel to it. Now it does have a white boundary around it. This allows Vector to know exactly where the end meets. We have a port over here for the charger. So this here is where the charging station docks to. And then on the bottom here, it just says Vector Space and it shows Vector with his charger. So literally the way you set it up, you just place it down just like that. You'll take his charger. So you go ahead and place it in here, and then there's a little spot for the wire to run through, and it'll just sit like that, and you put our Vector in there and his little cube, and voila, that is it in terms of how that is all set up. So let's go ahead and try this out and see what it's all about. So we're all set here. So we got Vector in his little space. Now as you can see, he's kind of exploring his environment. He knows exactly when to stop. So let's just go ahead and have him move forward. Hey Vector, move forward. So as you can see, he just stops right over there. So we can also do, hey Vector, find your cube. Hey Vector, do a wheel stand. All right, let's see if he can pull this off in the space that he's in. Okay. All right, well, I guess that was good. Oh, wait, he's not done yet. All right, good job, Vector. So, you know, it shows you that Vector can still do tricks and stuff of that nature inside his space. Now, here's the fun part is when we make him go back to his charger. So let's try this out. Hey, Vector, go to your charger. All right. And he did it! Good job, Vector. So now he's sleeping, so you can just always just kind of leave him in his space, and he always will charge himself whenever he needs to. Now he'll wake up from loud noises. Hey, Vector! What's the weather like? I love the animations on the screen. And it's sunny! So there you have it. Kind of gives you an idea of what the space is about. As you can notice, it doesn't really take much space at all. And it's kind of nice for him to have his own little personal area. Now, it's also kind of nice to know that, you know, he won't kind of wander about. It does have that nice border around it. So it does keep it confined within a limited area. Now, the downside is it's actually kind of small, you know, especially when you have the cube in the middle. It's kind of hard for him to maneuver, or if you have the cube towards the end, it's hard for him to like do tricks with it as well. Now, other than that, I think it's a great quality piece. It's made out of nice sturdy plastic, and it actually makes it a really great addition to the whole Vector series. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.